Welcome to How to Earn Money through Canva tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money by creating and selling candles. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So what I mean by creating and selling candles is to create the design of it, not the actual candle. So you'll go to Canva and search for candle scents. As you see here, there's a lot of candle designs. You will click on any candle design and you can create it, and then you can sell it on Etsy or Shopify or any other selling website. As you see here, you can just click on any candle template, like here, pink white scented candles logo. Here you can customize this template. You can click on it and then you can change the text, the photo, and you can write anything funny that will attract people to buy your candle design. And it gets a lot of people attracted to the candle designs. There's actually people buying candle designs. If you change the photo here and the text for something funny like I am a candle, I think something like that will attract people to buy your design. So then you will download this design and you will upload it on a candle picture and upload it to Shopify as a design. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.